It's Miss Hazel here, and I'm going to review or introduce, just depends on whenever we'll be using this video, multiplication pattern sheets. So now, you might have already started to realize that, oh, there's some patterns that I see when I practice multiplication that help make problems more simple for me. Like, this is a multiplication pattern sheet with, you see that each factor, in each problem, one of the factors is a 2. So this is one of our multiplication pattern sheet with 2 facts, with our 2's. So you might have realized by now that, oh, we have 2 factors here, 2 groups of 1. All I have to do is double. All I have to do is double 1 and I get 2. Or add 1 plus 1 to get 2. And I'll do the same thing with, let's say, 2 groups of 3. I go to my other factor that isn't a 2 and I double 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Yeah. So anyway, doing these sheets is really going to help you keep track, or you get a sense of where you are with your multiplication skills and knowledge, and also me. So now it's very important that we make sure that we do these in a way that's useful. So we're going to be completing sheets like this all throughout this year. This is just the first one that you will see. When we do these, I'm going to give you 2 minutes to fill in as many as you can. So you might not answer all of them every time. In fact, I bet the first time nobody will finish this. And that's okay, because our goal here is to get better, not to be perfect. It might even take you a bunch of times to complete this whole worksheet. That's okay, because we all go at different speeds and we come to school to get stronger. So you see this says multiply by 2 with numbers 1 through 5. Once you master this sheet, you'll have the second multiply by 2 sheet, and then you'll move on to 3's. After you finish the 3's, you go to 4's, and so on. We have all year to finish this, so do not get upset if you feel like you're not moving as fast as you should, okay? Now, this by far works best when we're in person, but we know this year we may not always be able to be in person, so it might be up to you to do this from home, okay? So that's what we're trying right now. This is our first time trying it from home. So I need you to take out your multiply by 2 pattern sheets, okay? And you're going to have 2 minutes to fill in as much as you can. Again, do not get upset if you do not finish. You're not supposed to be able to finish the first time, okay? So I'm going to set my timer for 2 minutes, and you may begin in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, good job. Time is up. Okay, again, do not worry if you did not finish them all. You're not supposed to be able to finish them all the time. So what I need you to do now, if your name is not already on this sheet, I need you to write your name on this sheet so that whenever I get this paper from you, I can see how you're doing. And if I notice something like, oh, I noticed that we all got the same fact wrong, then we can go over it together. Okay? So make sure your name is on this. And that's it.